Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Retropedia, a retro game system. And I came across this thing on AliExpress. I want to do a chit chat and show you some awesome stuff that I found, but that are not really interesting for buying. So if you disagree, you can always leave a comment and I can also look into it if I'm maybe going to buy it. But nevertheless, what are we going to get? So as you can see with this page on AliExpress that I found, there is not a lot of information. That is a very common problem nowadays. So looking at it thinking, what can we maybe found in this device? I did some, let's say, retro game system from China, and most of the time they are basically with a cheap orange pie inside. And I'm a little bit afraid this is going to be the same freaking story. There is no information, just says Retroquest Super Retro video game system. There are even already full orders of this thing, so there are people interested of reviewing this. Looking at it, the shop has basically no feedback, and that is more like going into the danger zone, because we having the, let's say, safety of AliExpress with the dispute system, but at the end it's always a risk buying this. This thing costs €100. And the price, at first I was thinking maybe is it very expensive, you are going to get a very decent product. But most of the time, that is not true. So that is something I realized that I needed to rethink about things buying from China. So I'm thinking the next thing what I can personally do is checking if we can find this housing on the internet. So we're just going to search for Pi housings, as you can see over here in general. We get a lot of pictures with Google. But so far, there is nothing that looks like the casing that were found in the picture. So that makes me believe slightly that this isn't really a Raspberry Pi maybe? Maybe this is going to be a real system that is maybe based on a TV box, for example. So all of these questions remain. And then there's something I just wanted to ask you. But at the end, it's more the question, do you want to see something here on the channel? Do you want me to make an extended review about it? That is something that I really love to know from you. Alright, so on the next step, we are going to search for the picture. Yes, I did made a print screen from AliExpress, and let's see what happens if we're going to search for it. So I'm very curious what are we going to get. So it seems to be this thing is already sold or is going to get sold on Amazon. But what you can already see, it's from January 4th in 2020. This is quite interesting. Let's see. So reading through the article, what I did notice something. When scrolling a little bit further, here it says that the UI and the emulator that came with it, and here it already says that it runs on Lekka or an open source game system. So this is what we're going to get. Basically, yes people, they are doing it again. They are slapping a Pi or a Pi version in it and just going to sell it with a nice casing. The only question remains, what kind of Pi are they using? I did see quite some different versions, and most of the time they are using an orange Pi. And for the people not familiar with the orange Pi, it's a low underpowered Pi version and it's basically cheap. I think they're not even making it anymore. So I don't know why they're still using it. Maybe for cost effective, they just want to buy, let's say, an orange Pi, grab them in a case, slap it all together and being naughty. This is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. And don't forget to subscribe channel, hit the little bell and become one of the Wicked family. And we'll see you in the next video.